Yeah, he's in there in the corral.
So how was the run?
Good.
That bull is up there, sniffing that cow's crack. It's on real crack.
We're just gonna sort them out.
Just pushing those two bulls.
Sort out those two bulls.
Yeah, then we'll push them in there. And we'll leave them in there for the night. Why don't they get out? I don't think so, eh? Whoa. These are the cows. What about Marty's herd? Did it run into? Oh yeah. That should be the bull there. It has no tag. Going that way? Just push him this way. All the boys. There's Cody chasing the bulls over there.